Aye, vicious. I hear the idea. I hear the whole of the idea, man. Because right now, for telling the truth, I really want Buck Chopper to bring my axe to every giant in his body and put him in a garbage bag. Really? But guess what? It never suit the purpose right here now. You see? However, I also have to make the idea know. So the conditions where the idea have about them freedoms so soon part is that we still tucky the idea over it. I know it's not too comfortable. But I know you like to do your engineering. I know you want to spend time and develop your craft. It make all the same. I know you want to spend time with the youth. You don't know. I know everyone have things to do and progressive things. However, Bridget, let me talk in because you see the talk in, it a go flush out like a crutch there.
Really?
And at the same time I get crush.
Well, I'm glad me didn't do this still enough for when the man them I get locked down still enough. So come I get to make up a run and make the man them get them thing, you know. You see me?
Yeah man, I respect that pullover. Love what you saying in that visit there. You see me?
Yeah man, so here we go on King man. We don't want to mash up nothing for you them. You get to me I say, because you don't know we want to see peace and the progress are going same way. So here we allow everything to Savage and make him deal with it then. What want to say?
Well, at least me have voice of reason.
So hold on, brother, you have ears in a zinc too?
King man, how you do you invite the brother here too?
A brother here coming like bad of it. I sick with sick of him, you know. Right now you don't even know charge it. The brother here again. Come on, something wrong with him.
Savage. You can't behave normal, brother.
King, may I talk about this already? So let me address the man. Right now, we know some he's not a favorite policeman or a favorite pastor. None of them things now. I understand how that go. Right? But me I tell you something. We done did tell you that thing already. I want to go against the other brother and violate the thing. You see right now? Remember me telling you, me do the best thing for you, for the lock on the down.
As much as me hate for admitting, that is true. Because we did need to diffuse that. So man and man can remain free and can walk out and go about them lawful business and the development continue. War just wouldn't help that.
Here we go on. The fact say, when I run out and decide to say a war, if me did love you, remember me tell you, 14 man are dead. Man phone the black, man are dead. That don't make no sense. But here, how this thing a work now, we say we want to get chopper. No sir.
Quiet,
Here we go on. Alright, here we go on. You see, as long as the man them feel say everybody still in a lockup, man them talking, you know, so you a draw out roach man. It's simple as that. And remember me promise you, man, it's just a matter of time. So we just want the man them build, hold the order, and maybe deal with things. You understand?
That a night, you know. I just not trust. So a man with their own thing, them feel get it here.
Cha.
Yo, that now go on today, you know. Bill, man. What does it now?
Mr. Thompson, good afternoon. This is Miss Archer here. Ashley has not turned up to school for the last couple of days, and I'm really concerned. concerned. Also, I heard that there was a shooting in the community. Are you okay? I don't want you to think I'm overbearing, but in the interest of Ashley, I'm quite concerned. Okay, bye.